Here we have a 2010 Chevy Avalanche transmission, John Core. This is a 6L80 transmission. This vehicle was slipping. We took a look here in the pan. We have quite a bit of material in the pan. Looking through the unit, obviously the clutches themselves are damaged from the slippage, but we have a pump issue. Problem with this transmission is anytime the converter fails, the material from that failed converter gets ingested directly into the pump, and during the rebuilding process, obviously inspect the pump. If the pump is not sound, then it can't create correct hydraulic apply pressure for the other components, and the transmission will not survive. So here's the pump slide. The material gets ingested between the rotor. Okay, here's the pump rotor. Then you have the rotor vanes, and the material just gets ingested between the vanes and this outer pump slide, and it just self-destructs. So this is the transmission control module, Tecum module. It's also the valve body. A lot of manufacturers are going with the transmission control module being an integrated part of the valve body of the transmission. They call it a Tecum module. There are a lot of updates and changes that can be made to this valve body to improve the function of the transmission. So transmission is rebuildable. Going to be able to save money compared to a remanufactured transmission. Unfortunately, because of the pump requirement, it's going to be a little bit more than if it was just a straight rebuild, but nonetheless still saving money. With the updates and improvements that are made to the transmission, should have a transmission that is functionally better than what any of the remanufactured transmissions are.